Put it up first. Find whatever African attire you like. You can put it up in a bun. It's all up to you, but I kind of want mine to the side. I was going to put some weave in it, but I might eventually because I wanted it kind of going this way and I wanted it kind of long. But we're going to do it this way without the weave. I'm going to show you without weave. So all I'm going to do, and I'm tying it up because the way I want to tie it up. Like, it ain't no special way that I'm going to tie it up. And I got my skirt on. You can see it. I actually cut it because it was a much longer. So it's a high, low. And I will show you guys a video on how I cut it. Loving it. Okay, guys, so let's do this. I'm looking in the mirror, okay? Look at my bear. He is grilling. He is getting it on. It smells good. Oh, look at him.
It ain't about me. It's about you.
No, it looks so good, y'all. We are just chilling on my birthday. And we got my baby girl here, too. Yes. I can't wait till it get done. Okay, guys, we got that Ciroc with that apple juice. I put some ice in here. We finna blend this together, and we finna have us a nice drink for what? It's our birthday. It's my birthday. And my hubby out there getting the barbecue together. So let me get this together, and I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, it's done. It is done. It is done, and it smells so good. So let's pour it in a cup. Here we go, and it is good, guys. Cheers. So if you want to try you one of those little mixtures, I'm telling you, you will enjoy it, and it smells so good. So precious, it's yours, it's mine, and look at the time, it's my God. So precious, it's yours, it's mine.